Smile Sunday, dear friends. A very warm welcome to you on this beginning of the summer. I'm sure we are really going to enjoy the mangoes, the watermelons, the muskmelons, the grapes. Really going to enjoy raw food like cucumbers. Yes. Today, dear friends, I want to speak to you about osteoporosis. When we think of osteoporosis, older people come to mind where they've broken their hip, or somebody who's got a backache, who's got knee pains, and the doctor has asked for a knee transplant. But, dear friends, it is very evident that as we grow older, by the time we are 30, 35, 40, the natural bone manufacturing from our body becomes zero. So if we have the bone density very proper when we are younger, we'll be able to sustain longer. So this video I'm specially making for youngsters. I'm making for mothers. I'm making for fathers, that please see to it that your child is given enough of calcium, is given enough of sunlight, and explain to the child, show the child practically how maybe you are suffering, maybe the grandmother is suffering, that how much important bone health is. Apart from the education of school, it is very important to teach the children about their body. Menopause happens and women have osteoporosis. Suppose the uterus is removed, further complications. But men do have osteoporosis, maybe a little later, another 10, 12 years later. People who are on, some steroids, so they are life-saving drugs, but they affect the bones. So such people should be very careful about supplementing their body with either natural calcium or supplements. We have supplements in medical medicine, we have supplements in Ayurveda, we have supplements in homeopathy, and we have supplement in Sujok therapy, acupuncture. So you can take up any pathy, but do contact a doctor, do contact the right person. It's better than taking things off the counter, and be very sure of your bone health. Everybody knows that you have to be in the sun to get the vitamin D. Everybody knows that we have to eat the almonds, the green leafy vegetables, fish, maybe some white meat if people are non-vegetarians, a lot of green vegetables, drumsticks, drumstick leaves, drumsticks, the entire fruit, the entire tree is very, very helpful for bone health. Cheese, curds, nuts, like the beans. Nuts are very good, but beans should be very well soaked because they interfere with the bone health. Some people have started taking raw spinach, but I don't think so. It's a very good idea, at least from my side. If we take a spinach soup, would be a better idea for bone health. Now comes exercise. Walking is definitely very easy. Lifting up some weights. It's very easy to go to a gym where you exercise, but it would be nicer to do some physical exercise, especially with the pandemic where your staff is lesser, or you have to do your work yourself. So it would be nice to carry your weight yourself, carry your vegetables, your fruits, your office bag, your whatever possible to the car, and to be in the sun for some time. Don't enter the office very quickly, be in the sun so that you can spend some time outside. Now when we talk of Sujok therapy, we understand bone as the Mooladhara chakra, the kidney meridian. So it's like the roots, it's like the sea which has the maximum energy, the dense energy. The sea has maximum water. Same way the bones have the maximum density, that's why they are so hard. So if we look after our Mooladhara chakra, we are more grounded, we maybe if you go through a therapist, he can work over on your Mooladhara chakra, can work on the kidney meridian, so that without any medicines, without any drugs, you can look after your bone health. In homeopathy also, there are very good medicines. Like there's a medicine called Symphytum, which is, it's called Q, it's called mother tincture, which can be taken 20 drops. Uh, for simpler cases, maybe once a day in a glass of water. For difficult cases, maybe thrice a day. It is just an extract, so it's a liquid which can be taken. And for bone health, in biochemistry, calcarea fluor, calcarea phos, calcarea carb, these can be taken. You get a homeocal, you get a mixture which is very good, can be taken, can be given like sweet pills to children, to older people, where you don't feel you're medicating yourself, and your bones will be healthy. Now for symptoms, you don't come to know that unless somebody has pain, so by the time the damage is already done. So please don't wait for symptoms for bone health. Don't wait for symptoms. You know that you have to look after your bones. If a child has had a wrist fracture, it is very common that in another 10-12 years he might have a hip fracture, because the bones are weak. Otherwise, normally if he had fallen, he would not have had a fracture. So don't take a fracture just as you got injured, and then in colder countries people slip over ice. So it is not just the ice, not just the slip, but why some people slip and have a fracture and others don't. So be careful, live healthy. This entire summer we have a lot of vitamin D, so please utilize it. Have a great day, great summer. Be out today in the sun, even for a little while. Have a great day, warm, lovely day to you. Wishing you all happiness. Thank you.